Marina Bay Sands, Singapore, an iconic luxury destination. Marina Bay Sands is a world-renowned luxury hotel located in Singapore's vibrant Marina Bay area. The hotel boasts iconic architecture, featuring 3 55-story towers with a boat-like structure on top that houses the famous rooftop infinity pool. The hotel offers a range of luxurious rooms and suites with modern amenities and stunning views of the city skyline or the bay. The hotel's top floor is home to the Sands SkyPark Observation Deck, which provides a 360-degree panoramic view of the city. Marina Bay Sands is not just a hotel, it's a complete lifestyle destination. The hotel is home to a variety of world-class restaurants, including celebrity chef restaurants, such as Cut by Wolfgang Puck and Spago by Wolfgang Puck. The hotel also features an impressive shopping mall, the Shops at Marina Bay Sands, which houses over 170 luxury brands and high-end boutiques. The hotel also offers a range of entertainment options, including a state-of-the-art casino, a theater, and a museum. The Art Science Museum, located within the hotel, features innovative exhibitions that explore the intersection of art, science, and technology. In summary, Marina Bay Sands is an iconic luxury destination that offers guests an unforgettable experience of luxury, entertainment, and stunning views of Singapore's vibrant cityscape. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more new daily content like it in the future.